The little ass one. Hey. Whoa.
He felt fine. Oh, yeah. I'm sick. I just wish we had been more careful. So wear a mask. Stay 6 feet apart.
That was a good one, guys. That thing, that thing, that thing.
But you didn't smoke it.
What girls out there smoke cigarettes?
I do, bitch.
Yeah, she does. You know what I told her? You know what I told her, guys? I said, nobody wants an ashtray around their dick.
Not. That's a
She's
lie.
like, bitch, I know a couple. Why do I look so demonic right now, bro? My aura's like trying to reach out to see my fucking...
You got them demons in you, bitch.
I do got demons.
So you got my hopes up with that $800, with that $1,800.
Guys be asking me if I fart, and I'll be like, no, I be queefing. Not funny? Not funny? The first time? The first time was funny. So I farted, right, guys? And my sister just thought it was our friend Sam, and I said, no, nothing. Now it's funny though, huh? That's so fucked up,
Fuck
guys.
you.
I'm trying to talk shit about myself. It ain't funny. Talk shit about someone else. Ha ha ha! Oh, Sam! Why? Ooh. Bitch, you fucking scared him, you cunt. That's right. I was mistaken. I'm pretty sure I can take a shit now. Jesus. And that was the last one, guys. So, if you and your lady broke up, right? And she had another dude there at the house, would you come at her crazy? Or would you come at the dude crazy? Vinny.
Recording me?
Or is that a queef? Oh, it's a little one, bro. I don't know if you were able to hear it, guys. That was the most babyest fart in the whole universe of farts. I think I gotta take a poopy. I gotta go poop. Do you guys ever Snapchat people while you're pooping? I do.
Help me reach 10K followers. Oof. Hike day. Oof.
I'm the good and bad, happy or sad.
Add my Snapchat Daryl Zumbi and DM to get access to the full video.
Oh, you don't like girls that are tatted? Take me off the roster.
I really think Darren believes that everything he's done, every move that he's made is done for love. It's trusted, but kind of sad.
How I smell my farts in private.
sipping?